Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I got here. I got some new sneakers. So we're gonna show you guys these ones here. They're like a kind of a different concept, I guess, in sneakers. But you can see they're ridiculously light, and they look kind of cool. They got the brown, I think, color. Oops, I'm gonna sneeze. Excuse me. But you can see it's got nice laces and nice thing here. They look kind of fashionable. So they're by SVNKE. And let's try these. We're going to try these on here. Let's cut these off. I got a size 41. So whatever 41 is, hopefully it's about an 8 or an 8.5. We will see. Okay. So I'm going to aim you guys down, and we're just going to try to slip them on. They look like they should be slip-onable because the tongue is all attached. So let's see what we got here. Can you see down there? Oh, I'll just move back. So here we go. We are putting my foot in there. Oh, look at that. It actually feels really nice. Boy, they're soft inside. Okay, before I put the other one on, I want to show you guys here. They're really soft. They got a lot of sponge to them. That's really good. I guess it's got this one here, so it's got the foam insert here, and then it's got a foam underneath too. So these are super spongy, foamy. I got exactly the right size for whatever this was. 41, I think I said. So I'm like 8.5 usually. So let me see if I can put this one on here. Let's go aim down again. And I'm not wearing any socks. I don't know, usually I don't even wear socks, but this is what they look like on me. So I have fairly small feet because they're 8 and 8.5, and it's got really good cushioning back here too and everything. So these feel nice. And they feel so light. They just feel so light. They're really cool. Let me just take it off here. So in the back here, it does have a little hard part, but it's covered in padding. It almost feels like it's like support in the back. I guess it fits right into they kind of made it fit right in the right place. It's interesting how they did that. But this is what it looks like here. So I'll be wearing these around the rest of the day. And they are really nice. I like them. So I'm going to say thumbs up on these shoes. They look good too. I like it a lot. Very cool.